Welcome to our second video. This is family unboxing. Today we have a jewelry unboxing box today. So I'm gonna go get the box.
Great, so today we have a Rocksbox. So Rocksbox is a jewelry subscription. It is $21 a month.
So this is the box.
And you actually can rent the jewelry and turn it back in and get another one. Or if you like the pieces, you can purchase, and the $21 that you spent for that month can go towards that. So I used a link, and I actually got this first box free, and I do still get the $21 credit. And then I also, when I was signing up, it said, oh, add 36 or something like that items to your wish list, and then you get $5 credit. So I have a $26 credit, and I really did this with the intention of buying the jewelry. I don't think renting is really worth it. I would rather own a piece, especially if I like it a lot. So they put a box together for me, and then they tell you, they give you 24 hours to look at the pieces, and you can swap out. So I think 2 of the pieces are ones that I swapped out for because I really felt like they kind of missed the mark. It was strange because I had so many things on my wish list and I ranked them, and they were available when I went to swap, but the stylist didn't pick them. So that was a little strange, but maybe they'll get better at that. And then one piece was one that the stylist picked. So we can go ahead and open it, Ash. So you have to untie the ribbon. Pull here. Just pull one of these.
So this is what the inside looks like.
Okay, and so the first thing that we have is this little booklet, and it says your first box. It has a tip about updating your wish list once a month. Love it, buy it. Every month you receive a $21 credit, like I said. And also you get additional $10 off if you buy the entire set. And then returning. You actually use the same bag that they sent it in, and you can put it in the USPS mailbox. So it's free return shipping.
So this is the list of every jewelry
that we got?
Yep.
Okay.
And I'm not going to show it to you because it's a surprise.
Okay, we're going to do it that way? All right, let's put it to the side so we can refer back to it. All right, show them.
And also we have a sticker here.
Is that a sticker?
Yes.
Oh, it's like a little card, and it's a care card, and it just tells you not to avoid contact with water, perfume, other chemicals, take off when showering, exercise, cleaning, etc. And use soft jewelry bag to polish and store your pieces. Oh, so you can polish with that bag. Okay.
So this is the
little sticker
here,
with the wrapping.
And this is a pretty wrapping. Oh look, it has a little cushion.
Okay. Cushion.
So you can put your jewelry in here, and it's a little cushion down here, so you can lay your jewelry down, and a little hole for something for holes.
Okay.
Open this up. So. Okay, so.
So here is to ship it back. Okay.
We have 3 bags.
3 bags. So which one should we start with?
Well, we should start with my favorite color, black.
Okay.
Alright, so let's open it up. So what do we have in here? Oh my.
What is it?
It's a ring.
Okay, let's take that out. You can take it out and then you can show them.
Because it's a leaf.
It's a leaf ring? Okay.
So here's a leaf ring.
Why don't you put it on your finger? It will probably fit your thumb a little bit.
Now I give this.
Okay.
It's a little
Nice.
leaf.
Okay, so it's rose gold. Has tiny little crystals in it.
Yes.
And it's a size 5, so it fits my finger perfectly.
But if I squeeze my fingers together with it.
Yeah. Okay, so that's pretty. Hold on. Put it back. Oh, you want to put it on? Okay. So this is the Aster Pluma ring in rose gold. The retail price is $55, and the member price is $46. What's that little thing?
It's just a little decoration.
Okay. All
Right,
right.
we're gonna start with,
What's
and then
next?
we're gonna next is this gray bag.
Okay. And it says Rocksbox on it.
It's a dark gray because
Dark
we
gray.
got a light gray here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
Take a guess. What do you think it is?
I think it's earrings.
Yes, it looks like earrings. Okay, go ahead.
So it's a little poppies over here. Pop, pop.
Bubble wrap.
Yeah, bubble
Yeah,
wrap.
you can just pull it out, sweetie. No, keep the bubble wrap, okay? Because it keeps it safe. Oh, it got stuck here. Okay.
So these are the earrings. It's rose gold.
No, it's gold, I think. And these are by Sophie Harper.
And
they
these
look
are
like
little skulls.
little sugar skulls. Okay. They're tiny,
Yeah,
but they're
look.
pretty.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at that.
All right, so let's see how much that one was. Where's my little card? Oh, you have it?
This was
This one right here.
this was
It retails for $45,
And then
but the
it's-
member price
it was
is
$38.
the member price is $38. Okay. That's that one. Where'd you put it, sweetie? Oh, okay.
You hold it.
Okay, do the next one, baby.
We got a light gray. And it says
Rudiment. That's the name of the jewelry designer, maybe.
oh my. These are pretty. These are more earrings.
More
and they
earrings.
are eyes. They're eyes.
Okay, so let's take it out of the bubble wrap here. Okay, so they're tiny little ones. You can tell
Yep.
I like very delicate, tiny earrings.
Yeah, I have my ears pierced.
So this one is the Rudiment Valencia studs. Retail price is $50. The member price is $42. So the two that I had chosen are the sugar skull ones and these little eyes. And then the ring that Ash has on is the one the stylist chose. So the subtotal, all the member prices is $126. We have the monthly credit, the $5 credit. Ash can't see. The $5 credit for adding things to the wish list, and if you buy all three, is $10. So that's $36 that I would be saving on top of the lower member price. So the total is $90. All right. So, you know, I think I'll try these on, see how I feel. But again, I purchased this box with the intention of hopefully getting some nice costume jewelry that I can add to my collection and maybe pass down to Ashlyn later, right?
Yeah.
Well, she has her ears pierced too, so she could wear these too. Just not to bed like your gold ones, because they're not real gold. All right, so that was our video today. What do you think of this box, Ash?
It's really
the camera on.
good. It's really good, and it has lots of gold inside it.
Yeah, I like gold. I like to wear gold
And
and
the-
rose gold.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And also the eye, if you didn't see, it's golden.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for joining us today for our unboxing of the Rocksbox. Yes, go ahead.
It's also like the padding can come out if you want to take it out and put it on your
Oh,
desk.
good. Yeah, thank you for showing that, Ash. So this is our Rocksbox unboxing, and I will put a link down below. They gave me a link so that if you wanted to get your first box free, and make sure you do those other things like add to your wish list and stuff so you get that $26 credit, I'll put that down in the description box.
Yeah. And I hope you like this video. Bye.
Bye.